I'm going to go ahead and get started. So the first thing I did is I found my smooth surface. I'm going to use this table right here. And then I found some masking tape. Now I already have my line back here. That's going to be my starting line so that I know both of my objects start from the same spot. Now I have a wooden block here that is really smooth. And then I have another wooden block, and I have covered this one in leather. So this one has a little bit more texture. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to fill out on my experiment sheet what my objects are. So for object 1, I'm going to write wooden block. Okay, so I have that written on there. For object 2, I'm going to put leather because that's the material that's going to be sliding across my smooth surface. So prediction. Your prediction is your guess that you're going to make before you actually do your experiment. So which object do you think is going to slide farther? The wood block or the leather? And while you write that down, I'm going to get myself ready. So for this experiment, we're going to see which object will slide further. And depending on that, we're going to decide which object maybe has more friction or less friction. So I'm going to slide these both at the same time from the same point. And I'm going to try to use the same amount of force each time, the same push. So ready? Okay, so my leather block is here, and my wooden block is all the way down here. So now you're going to go down to the chart on your experiment sheet, and underneath of slide 1, you're going to put an X for which object slid further. So did the leather block slide further, or did the wooden block slide further? And then we're going to do it again, because we always want to test our experiments at least twice to make sure that the first time it wasn't just a mess up. So I'm going to do it again. I'm going to start at my starting line. I'm going to slide with the same amount of force. And again, we had the leather block here, the wooden block here. So now I want you to take that information. I want you to fill out the rest of your chart, answer the question underneath, and then write your conclusion. And be sure to use your vocabulary words in your conclusion, because we just analyzed the effects of friction on motion. Thanks for watching.